Alright, guys, I know you're just as excited as I am to get going on this problem. So let's get going. So again, we're working with our sector area formula when we're given radians. Because I know this is in radians because it says find the measure of a central angle, which I guess I should have specified in radians so we knew which formula to use. So find the measure of the central angle in radians whose area is 32 meters squared and whose radius is 2 meters. Okay, which if we look back to this problem, our formula is 1/2 r squared theta. So we're going to be using that to help us find the central angle, which this one's not going to be as straightforward because we're not solving for area this time. We're solving for the central angle, which in that case is theta. Okay, so we're going to have area equals 1/2 r squared theta. So we want to find the central angle in radians, which that is theta. Okay, and the area is 32 meters squared, so that's our area. And the radius is 2, so this is our r. All right, let's start filling in these values. So I'm going to be filling in a value for A this time, and I'm going to be filling in a value for R, but theta is what we're solving for, so I'm going to leave it alone. So we have 32 equals 1/2 r squared, which r is 2 squared, and this time we're solving for theta. So let's get going. Okay, so 2 squared, 2 times 2 is 4, so this will be, let's see here, 32 equals 1/2 of 2 times 2 is 4, so times 4 over 1 is how I'm going to write it, times, technically this is theta over 1 as well, because the 2 squared and theta are in the numerator. Sorry guys, that looks a little blurry. Alright, so I'm going to bring this up here to save some space. Okay, so we have 32 equals 1 times 4 times theta is 4 theta, over 2 times 1 is 2. Alright, which there's several ways I could do this. I could simplify this down, then get theta by itself, or I could move the 2 over and the 4 over. So I'm personally going to simplify this down because in my opinion that's easier. So 4 over 2 will reduce down to 2. I'm going to divide both of these by 2. So we have 32 equals 2, or 4 theta divided by 2 is 2 theta. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so I could write this over 1, but I'm just going to leave it as 2 theta. Alright, and then lastly, I just need to move theta to the other side. Or sorry, not theta, 2 to the other side. Jeez, those demon cats, they're always going to get me. Okay, so I'm going to divide both sides by 2 because the 2 is secretly multiplying to the theta, which 2 divided by 2 cancels and turns to 1, and then theta will equal 32 over 2, which is 16, and my answer is in radians, so 16 radians. And guess what, you guys? That problem is officially donezo. Bam.